Guten Tag, ihr Leid. Weiter geht's mit The Walking Dead. Season 1. Keine Ahnung welche, also Episode 5. Und wir sehen gerade, dass das Boot verschwunden ist.
What the fuck?
Yep. Okay.
Come on.
Das wird interessant.
Come the fuck on!
Well, we're not coming back here after we find Clem.
Who? Fuck. How could this happen?
It's the guy on the radio, the one that's got Clem. They're gone.
Es könnte aber auch Vernon sein,
Relax.
der seine Leute so
guys.
rausgebracht hat.
No, it wasn't the guy on the radio. It was Vernon.
No fucking way! The invalids?
Their actions contradict your characterization, but yeah, the invalids.
He's right. They're not invalids. They're just people. People who've been dealing with shitty situations even longer than we have. No wonder they got the jump on us.
I don't give a fuck if their Make-A-Wish was a fucking boat ride! When I find them, I'm gonna rip their throats out!
We'll never find them.
I can't believe they did this to us.
Sick. It really is. They use your goddamn sympathy for sick folks and then stab us right in the back.
They didn't use shit. They did what anybody would have done. They've been living like ghosts forever and they were fed up. That's it.
He says he feels bad about leaving Clementine behind, but the boat was an opportunity they couldn't pass up.
Vernon probably planned this out the second he laid eyes on that boat.
They fucked us!
Tja, und nun?
Omid, can you go over the fence and let us into the backyard? We shouldn't be out in the open.
Yeah,
This is not happening. Everything is so fucked.
Clementine is still out there.
So we get Clementine, and then what?
We get
Und
the
dann
fuck
sehen wir
out
weiter.
of cities. I'm done with cities. We go into the countryside and make a go of it.
I don't want to go back out there again.
Then don't. Go your own way.
You're every man for himself until you and your boyfriend actually need something.
You wouldn't have had a boat to lose without us. So shove it, okay?
Everyone keep it together. Nothing has changed, has it?
Nothing has changed?
I mean, immediately. We stay the course. Don't turn on each other.
We can do this in the yard. What do you
Ich würde die
think,
Tür
Pete?
zumachen.
What do we
Also,
do now without a boat?
Well, I know you two are just gonna look out for number one. And number two. You know, yourselves.
it's not like that, man.
Bullshit, it's not.
Don't engage him, Omid.
There's other shit at play, all right?
What, you got the boat hidden somewhere?
Shut up, dude.
also,
Watch your mouth.
Get out of town at least, right?
es ist mir gerade mal egal.
know
Wir
what
holen
we-
Clementine.
This is bullshit. You might not even be around.
Und dann sehen wir.
So, with all due respect, Lee, his opinion doesn't carry a lot of weight.
Hey, it's still his little girl out there. She's number one. That's the end of that, okay?
But what about
Oh shit! Here they
Kommt
come!
die jetzt
the
her?
house?
Ich hoffe, ihr habt die Türen zugemacht. Wahrscheinlich nicht.
They shouldn't
Warum
be able to
auch?
get into the backyard, right? Maybe not.
We can secure this place.
Krista, on the windows
Vorderen
in the front
Fenster.
room.
Keine Ahnung.
Check
Ich
the
sag jetzt
boards.
einfach mal irgendwas.
Kenny,
Kenny, verschiebe
move
Möbel.
anything you
Du
can up
hast
against the
Kraft.
doors and windows.
That's what I was thinking.
Ja, gute
Omi.
Idee. Waffen.
What is it? Front doors!
Alter. Ah, die Hundeklappe. Geh weg da. Weg da. Lass mich los. Junge, willst du mich veräppeln?
Lee, help!
Ja,
Cut your
bin
fucking
dabei, bin
There's gotta
dabei,
be
bin
a
dabei. Ich
knife or
komm
something
schon.
in there.
Messer? Krieg ich denn jetzt ein Messer her? Schublade, Schublade, Schublade. Hier. Da ist eins. Little.
Take their goddamn arms off!
Einer weg. Zwei weg. Da unten ist noch einer, gell? Drei weg. Und alle weg. Wie? Da oben ist noch... Macht blöden Flossen weg hier. Alter.
Now what?
Okay. Ja, was nun? Hä? Das wird halten.
Get ready to fight.
Aber sowas
This
von.
place seems sturdy to me. I think we're fine.
Sturdy
Für
my ass!
deutsche
Get
Haustür wären sie
upstairs!
nicht.
Go!
Glaube ich. Ey, die kenne ich. Ach nö, das war Brie, oder wie die heißt. Sorry, der Name ist... Ja, aber sie war
Guys,
das.
help me with this.
Okay, ich muss irgendwo helfen. Jetzt geht's natürlich wieder rund. So. Muss ich nochmal?
Everyone get to the end of the hallway.
Hopp, jetzt haben wir es nicht bald? Okay, gut, wir haben es bald.
Get to the
Das
end
ist
of the
irgendwie nicht so
hallway
gut.
and take a fucking stand.
Okay, das ist schon mal gut, dass sie hier liegen, also hier nicht durchkommen. Da, oben, auf dem Dingens. Wie heißt denn die Schnur da?
When we see an opening, we go for it. How many bullets y'all have?
3.
5.
4.
You all know where to aim.
12 Stück, das ist nicht gut. Was ist denn da oben mit der Schnur? Kann ich jetzt zurückgehen? Wo sind sie denn? Da ist einer. Der ist weg. Vielleicht sollte man sich absprechen, wer wann schießt. Daneben. Ich hab keine Waffe mehr. Und nu? Was soll ich denn jetzt machen? Ich kann nichts
I'm out.
machen.
Me too. Fuck.
Ah, es ist alles
Where do we
schlecht.
go?
Hinter uns die Schnur,
Goddamn
Mann!
opening.
Seht ihr das denn nicht? Ja, natürlich hoch. Das hätte ich gleich gemacht. Und, warum kommt da Blut runter? Der kleine Junge ist nicht mehr oben. Ah, ja, okay, die war eh leer. Aber jetzt zieh die Leiter hoch, zieh die Leiter hoch. Hoch, 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 hoch. Okay,
That could have gone better.
Everyone okay?
deutlich besser.
Lee's
Wieso?
still bitten.
Shut up.
Okay, let's get out of here and keep moving.
Kid's right. We gotta keep moving. Think there's any chance we get Clem and catch up to those goddamn thieves?
I don't know. Maybe.
Where we're not going out through this window. No latches, no roof access, and 30 feet straight down.
Ja, okay.
Anyone have any ideas?
But this guy would. He's got
wer?
a resourceful air about him.
Knock it off.
Dixon Kent III. Industrial...
Mead,
Krista. Just trying to lighten the fucking tone.
we need solutions, not stupid jokes. I'm sorry.
Ja, echt.
So...
Es
no
muss einen anderen
ideas
Weg
then.
geben. Weiter
gotta
umgucken,
be
weiter
another way.
umgucken, weiter
Check the
umgucken.
floor for any other access, a vent, anything.
Or we wait for the house to clear out and stick to the high ground.
Es leer ist. Ja, die Viecher schlafen halt nicht. Wieso? Oh weh. Ich krieg
Hey.
Fieber.
You're not looking great. And you're warm.
I'm okay. Don't.
Ah, ja klar, guck dir's an.
I'm okay. I'm where my parents. No.
What did that mean?
Sind
She's at the
in
hotel.
dem Marschhaus oder wie das heißt.
parents
Marsch,
stay.
Kirsch.
He hasn't moved her.
Yet.
Yeah. Yet.
We need to start thinking about more than just Clementine when it comes to our urgency.
What do you mean?
How do we get out of here?
That's the whole point. We don't know.
Ja, wissen wir nicht.
Okay, now your life depends on it. How do you get out of here?
I don't know.
Keine Ahnung. Wir müssen sofort weg. Hör auf. Weiter suchen,
Like I said,
weiter suchen. Nicht
everyone
dumm
needs to keep
diskutieren.
looking for a way
Machen ein
out,
Loch
damn it.
ins Dach
We're
und
trapped in
keine
here.
Ahnung.
Do you think that worked?
I don't know.
Das ist doch alles, das ist doch Ami-Haus. Das ist alles
I think we
Holz.
need to
Keine
have
Ahnung, mach das
an
Holzdach
adult
kaputt
conversation
und...
about what
bau dir
happens
eine
if Lee
Leiter.
takes another spill.
Ich hab keine Ahnung.
Hey, look.
We could be looking at a Larry situation here.
Who's Larry?
It don't matter.
He looks fine to me.
We don't need to talk about it.
I think we do.
I said we don't.
Guys, I don't know what happened before Omid and I showed up, but we can cross this bridge when we get to it.
Ja,
Lee, I'm
da
not
bin ich
advocating
dafür.
anything here, but how is this not a thing? We're all so worked up about Clementine that we're forgetting what the fuck happened to you.
My arm is not the issue. I'm not the problem. The 500 walkers in the house and no door in this room are the goddamn
Yep.
problem.
Yeah, maybe at the moment, but who's to say when it becomes an issue?
Alter,
At that
wenn's
point,
soweit
there may
ist,
not
ist
be
es
any
soweit.
time
Dann
left
hau
to
mir
deal with
irgendwas
it.
auf den
This is
Kopf,
getting out
einen
of hand.
Leckstein oder so.
You're gonna listen to me. We will get Clementine back, with or without you, because I haven't given up everything to die because we were stupid.
Then kill me, you son of a bitch, okay? Don't even fucking hesitate.
I will.
Hast du es noch all... Was denn jetzt?
Ah!
Was?
You ruined that dude's face.
Shut up, sweetie. Look.
Holzwand, sag ich doch.
It's corroded to
Ja,
hell.
natürlich.
What's on the other side of this wall? A 30-foot drop?
No, this mansion butts up against the one next door.
I'll be damned.
We're not
Komm, hört
lifers
auf,
on
dumm
Alcatraz.
rumzulabern. Mach
We can't
die
spend
Wand
the next
kaputt
3
und gut
months
ist. Zack. Wenn man 2 Arme hätte, das wäre deutlich besser.
Swallowing shit.
Aber nö, ich muss ja alles alleine machen. Es reicht mir ja keiner in der Hand. Na also, geht doch. Ist von ganz alleine drauf gekommen, Kenny. So langsam zweifle ich, also...
Yeah, we can do this.
Ja, können wir.
We'll work in shifts. Omid, Krista, and I. Lee, you rest. We have to work fast.
Sorry.
Me too. I get it. Go
Ich
sit
weiß
down.
eigentlich gar nicht, für was ich mich entschuldigen soll, außer dass ich gesagt habe, hier, Junge, bring mich um, du Depp.
I'm glad you told us when you got bitten. It would have been easy not to.
Well,
We probably would have let you go alone if you hadn't told us, which would have been a mistake.
If I were you, I would have been scared shitless.
I was. The fucking thing, it happened so fast. You ever almost hit someone in a crosswalk?
Almost?
His license was suspended. Twice.
Just
Nicht
wham!
witzig. Nicht
Thing was
witzig.
on me. Never saw it. Like someone in your blind spot.
It's so weird. I keep doing a double take on your arm, expecting it to be there.
I'm hoping whatever's in their bite is gone too.
What do you think the odds are of that?
I don't know. I know everyone's wondering. Even if it just slows down the process, I'd be happy.
You don't mean that.
So when we get this guy, what do you think?
We make sure he never takes anybody from anyone again. Will's got enough evil in it.
And, you know, whatever happens to you,
Seriously, can we not talk like that?
Nee, ich glaube, es ist eine gute
The
Idee,
entire time
drüber
we
zu
were at the
reden. Mit
hospital,
einem
I could sense you think you're as good as
kühlen
dead.
I was
Kopf.
bitten, Krista.
You cut
Mit
it
einem
off.
kühlen Kopf
What good
drüber
is it to
reden.
plan around that working?
What good is it for you to give up?
Ich will nicht aufgeben,
given
aber...
I want you guys to take her.
Stop it.
I'm serious. She'd be safe and relatively happy with you two.
We're not doing this right now.
Krista, listen to him.
It's what I want, okay?
All right. I'm out of gas. You look good and rested.
Sure, if you don't count an infected leg.
Ja, du sollst ja auch nicht mit dem Bein da
Nah,
reintreten.
you can hop in after me.
Arme sind ja noch in Ordnung. Er hat ja immerhin noch 2. Ja, sorry, aber ich komme da nicht drüber weg, dass der Einarmige die ganze Arbeit machen muss, weißt du?
Take a breath.
Immerhin.
That, feeling any better?
Krieg
I
das
can
hin.
handle it.
Fertig.
Pain, that is. I'm just really goddamn tired.
I mean, do you think it worked? Did it help at all?
I feel like a man who got bitten. So, take that for what it's worth.
I still can't believe you went and got chomped. Just fucking hell.
At least he told us.
Took some brass. I don't think I would've.
Also, wenn jetzt vielleicht jeder mal, jetzt haben wir alle drüber geredet,
How are
einfach mal eine Runde pennen jetzt,
I don't know how
ausruhen.
to answer that.
you? I'm sorry. You've lost more than anyone. Well, as much as anyone.
Lee's family's gone too.
Ja, sorry, aber... Schnaps? Wie wäre das zur Desinfektion? Desinfektion?
much about what we've been
Desinfektion?
Bits and pieces.
Well, he can't fight for shit.
Well, look at him.
Hey,
Soft as rotten fruit.
Like you guys didn't have enough problems without punching each other in the face.
Das
He
ist...
had to knock some sense into me before we met you on the train.
after everything, he's still a bastard, you know, kid?
Been hearing that my whole life, Doc.
Ja, komm, das ist...
Cheers.
Ja, hör auf zu saugen. Typ ohne Arm. Bisschen drauf machen. Also nicht trinken. Ich würde es nehmen, um auf den Arm zu machen. Desinfektion, Alkohol. Keine Ahnung, ob das was bringt, aber schlecht kann es ja mal nicht sein. Besser als blutige Binden, aber da denkt ja wieder keiner dran. Junge, hat ihn Zug, hey. Wie ein Kalb. Das ist sein Blick so.
I'm through!
Na geht doch.
No walkers. Things are looking up.
Everyone keep a goddamn eye out.
Okay. Erst gar nicht probieren, die Lampe anzumachen. Ist kein Strom da. Ach, ich muss mich immer noch abregen. Es regt mich also immer noch dieses, ich habe keinen Arm mehr. Und alles so, ja, mach mal die. Wenigstens keine Zombies.
Let's keep moving. Gotta go.
Waffe mitnehmen.
Yeah. We've seen so many people. I don't know why these ones break my heart.
What's heartbreaking is not giving yourself a chance. It's what Katya did.
There's no use dwelling on it. You know that.
No, Lee. She left me. A son. People that cared about us. I forgive her, but it don't make it any less wrong. You don't just end it because it's hard. You stick it out, and you help the folks you care about. So let's figure a way out of here and get that little girl.
Jawohl! Das ist meine Ansprache. Sowas will ich hören.
Got at least one shot left.
Immerhin, eine Kugel ist eine Kugel.
Let's clear the room before we move on.
Gute
Lee,
Idee.
figure out where we're headed.
Also.
Lee, you okay?
Yeah.
Irgendwie.
Let's keep at it.
Ja. Mit Kenny reden. Erstmal. Also ich glaube, finden werde ich hier nix. Aber umgucken muss ich mich natürlich. Ist das da Munition? Nee. Muss man mit Kenny reden, muss sagen, hey Kenny. Danke. Das war mal. Das
Don't
war.
ask me how I'm doing. Let's just keep going.
Nee, ich wollte eigentlich sowas sagen wie. Danke für die Ansprache. Das habe ich halt. Es war wirklich
I guess
gut.
Crawford would have gotten them anyway.
Gemälde? Was will ich denn das Gemälde ansehen?
Hard to believe the world once felt this peaceful.
Sorry, ich brauche gerade wieder ein bisschen was zum Runterkommen.
Think of all the pain they avoided.
What do you call this thing?
Das ist doch kein Medaillon, das nennt man Spiegel, oder?
Art?
Okay, Klugscheiße. Da hinten das Fenster, kann ich da was? Nee, okay, ich guck mal die Tür raus. Tür und Fenster haben wir.
Might be the way out.
Jetzt gehe ich noch das Fenster gucken. Jetzt haben wir die Wahl zwischen Fenster und Tür. Da liegt ein Bett. So, Moment, Fenster gucken, Fenster gucken, Fenster gucken.
The streets are full.
Ich behaupte mal, hier gehen wir nicht raus. Also würde ich sagen, Balkon ist besser. Ich weiß nicht, ich muss mal gucken, wie da die Zombies sind. Aber direkt vom Fenster. Okay, wir können darüber hüpfen. Das krieg sogar ich hin. Mit einem Arm.
Nothing other than personal items in here.
Looks like we can stay off the streets all the way to River Street if we're careful.
Let's go.
Okay, ich wieder zuerst. Ja klar, der mit dem Arm darf wieder als erstes hüpfen. Nö, macht sich bitte keiner die Mühe und hüpft zuerst und hilft mir dann oder so. Ist alles in Ordnung. Gar kein Problemchen. Natürlich. Ja klar. So, soll ich jetzt euch helfen? Soll ich euch eine Hand reichen. Wie oft habe ich den Witz heute schon gebracht? Aber es geht halt. Da hilft aber keinem irgendwie jemand. Omid hat gerade Christa ein bisschen...
Let's keep going. Be careful up here.
Was sollte das mit dem Balkon jetzt? Weil der da...
Learned to climb yet, right?
Ich hoffe nicht. Ist das hier Gewächshaus oder wie?
It's good to be moving.
Ja.
We can't stop.
Damn right we can't.
We're not too far.
How we finding this guy?
We just get to the hotel and stick together and use our heads.
You got that walkie-talkie?
Yeah, of course I do.
You might want to give him a call and tell him we're coming for him.
Yeah, right.
Weiß. Okay.
Careful cross here.
Ich... Nacheinander vielleicht? Keine Ahnung, ob ich paranoid bin, aber es ist eine verkackte Zombie-Apokalypse. Da darf man doch ein wenig paranoid sein und um seine Sicherheit bedacht sein. Nicht zu zweit über eine klapprige Holzbrücke gehen, die jetzt gleich zusammenkracht. Passt auf. Okay, ich glaube, das soll eventuell auch einfach nur zeigen... Ich bin drüben, danke.
River Street's just up ahead.
Mach mal ein bisschen Platz, sonst kommt Kenny nicht runter. Das ist...
Nope. Maw of darkness full of walkers? Fuck that shit.
I don't see any down there.
You can hear them, right?
We're all desensitized to it, but I can still smell them.
Let's keep going, you bunch of lollygaggers. Oh, fuck.
Ja,
Well,
I'm so sorry.
ja. Junge, was ist denn da los? Wir müssen es
We have to get
zurückholen.
it back. That's our lifeline to him.
Lass mich raten, der
We can find
Einarmige...
this guy without it.
And what if we don't? We need every clue that comes out of it.
Lee's right.
I am so fucking sorry.
Ja,
It's fine. We just need to figure out who's going down there.
No, we don't.
Krista! Jesus fucking Christ!
I got it. Get me up.
hüpfen.
Fuck! We can't reach. Find something, fast!
Okay.
Fast would be good.
Keep a fucking eye on her.
Okay, umgucken. Was ist das da? Pfosten?
Grab onto this.
Oh, das war wohl
We'll pull
richtig.
you
Das
up.
ging schnell.
Thanks.
Ja, der Einarmige wieder. Natürlich der Einarmige. Nö, mache ich doch mit rechts, mache ich doch das. Wie konnte das wohl passieren? Weil der Einarmige so hochziehen muss. Schneller.
Shit, they're in there!
Nimm das Rohr. Nimm das Rohr. Das Rohr. Was ist mit dem Rohr? Das reicht
Fuck!
nicht. Nimm das Rohr.
Jump up here, baby!
Das Rohr.
Let's go. Jump.
Das geht nicht. Das Rohr. Das ist doch nur 2 Meter weg.
God, what are you doing?
Er nimmt es jetzt auf die Schulter, richtig?
That shit and not do something now. Come on, reach.
Ja.
Gotcha, hun!
Save her.
Go, go,
Do you
go.
fucking hear me?
Und jetzt nimm du das Rohr. Du hast genau einen Schuss. Das war so einer Schuss. Okay, Kenny, komm du, du bist größer, glaube ich.
You gotta run, man. Go. We'll find a way to get you.
Nö.
Get the fuck off me!
Mir ist
going in after
scheißegal.
him.
Wir gehen da runter und holen
We
ihn.
have to.
Lee!
Scheiße, Mann, ich muss mich um den Kram kümmern.
I'll be. Go.
go?
Wie, wo ging er hin? Vielleicht ist
Maybe he ran. Maybe the man's all right. Maybe he'll find us.
What if he doesn't?
He went down there for you.
I know he did. He...
sind...
Marsh House Hotel is around.
Da ist das Marschhaus. Ah, also doch Marsch.
Are you okay? Do you want to talk?
Kenny was my friend. He could be tough to like, but I agreed with him most of the time. So, we were assholes together, I guess.
This is a shitty time. I want to make sure we're clear before we go forward.
What is it?
Now with Kenny gone, means Omid and I have to stay safe. For her.
Ja.
You guys would be great for her. Keep her safe.
We do our best. You know that.
Good. Thanks. Whatever your best is, I'll trust it.
That's all you can do.
We have to cross here.
Well, at least it doesn't look like a death trap.
Nö, also... Wie war das?
Who's going first?
Ach so, das war
You're
Humor.
the lightest.
He's got a busted leg, and you're walking for two. I'm obviously not doing so hot. Decision doesn't make itself.
Also 2 gehen schon mal gar nicht zuerst.
In case anything happens out there.
You sure?
Sind
Yeah.
2 nicht gleichzeitig, habe ich vorhin schon gesagt. Oh weh, das wird ja wieder nix. Ja Leute, das sehen wir dann in der nächsten Folge, ob das was wird. Tschüss. Da müssen wir hin.